how to add family members to Spotify Premium account. So if you want to add family members to your Spotify Premium account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, you need to go with your profile, which is on the top left. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on Account. Once you're on your account, you will have an option of Account Overview. You need to tap on your Account Overview. And if you're using your Spotify app, it will redirect you to the website. Now you can tap on Manage Your Subscription. After that, you'll find the option of Manage Your Family Accounts. Here, simply tap on the Go option and you'll find the section of Plan Members. You can tap on Invite Someone and the new plan member will have to tap on the Accept Invite option. They can log in or sign up. After that, confirm their address. Once that is done, the member will be added to your Spotify Premium. And now you can listen all songs together. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.